So it's a maintenance vlog again. It's the second week of December and I'm still looking a bit crazy. Finally got a appointment slot. Like, why is it so difficult to get an appointment? I wanted to get my nails done this morning, but unfortunately I've been trying to message 2 places but no response. Like, the customer service is so poor. Like, how am I going to message you as a new customer and you're gonna see my message?
She will kill me again. How much time you gonna shame, sir?
Anyways, as Jamaicans, they normally say, stick to what you know. I'm just gonna go back to my original nail tech and just get my nails done. It's a once in a blue moon kind of thing because nursing students aren't allowed to wear additions to nails. I just want my nails done. My nails aren't that bad. They just need some work. I don't want to look cute or whatever. Hopefully I get everything done today. If not, I'll just have to go the next day. But yeah, this is just my little maintenance vlog. Look up to the side. stay right here. See? Oh God. Is it nice in here? Can I keep still? Oh, that's fine. Period. That's fine. Yeah. Yes. The same color I want to paint my room in. It is
The
so
green?
giving. Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, look when it come over. Over? Yeah, yes. Let's see.
Watch style.
Just doing a video. Yeah, good. Turn the fans. Turn on. It's a video. Only for the first of that.
So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I just came home from the nail salon. I'm just gonna oil my hair and just close out the vlog. Close up. I wash my toes. Close up. So thanks for watching guys, and catch you in the next